The second project that we came to visit is the orthotics center that we are building in Ngwelezane Hospital. The intention of building this center is to decentralize our orthotic services so that they are not just at a provincial level or eThekwini, but also other districts that are inland actually get these services. We are going to be building two, or we have started building two, Emajuba district, Ezoba Sematateni, here in Ngwelezane, and that covers Zululand, Umkhanyakude, and the Ngwelezane or Umhlathuze or King Cetshwayo district in general. Now, this is a very good initiative in that it reduces the amount of time that patients have to travel to eThekwini to get these services. We are now going to be manufacturing all the limbs that we need to manufacture here, and people that come from the three districts, as I've indicated, will not have to travel even further. We are very excited. It's going to take us about 24 months to finish this particular center, and in 24 months time, everyone in the north of the province will not have to go to eThekwini to get a proper service.